2 AI tools. One question: which is actually better in 2026? We tested ChatGPT and Claude side by side. Same 12 prompts. Same files. Same scoring rubric. Both at $20 a month. No sponsorships, no affiliate spin. Here is where Claude wins. Claude Sonnet 4.5 writes cleaner long-form text. It follows nuanced instructions without drifting off task. The 200,000 token context window holds a full book or a full code base in working memory. Here is where ChatGPT wins. Voice mode feels like a real conversation, not a demo. Image generation is built in and fast. Web search returns answers in seconds, not paragraphs of caveats. Now the honest trade-off. Claude refuses more edge case prompts. It pauses and asks for clarification when it really should just try. ChatGPT just does the thing. Sometimes that is exactly what you want. Sometimes it is not. Our verdict: use Claude for writing and serious coding work. Use ChatGPT for everything else. At $20 each, the smart move is to subscribe to both and switch based on the task. The full comparison, with the 12 prompts we used and the scoring spreadsheet, is at honestaiguide.com/articles/chat versus Claude. New videos every week. Subscribe so you do not miss the next one.